welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys a treatment that is meant for dry frizzy hair, because as you all can see my hair is all dry and frizzy. It's been almost 1 month since I treated my hair, and I just purposely left it because I wanted to share these treatments with you guys. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Alright my loves, so this treatment is what I do specifically for my dry scalp and new growth, and I love to do an aloe vera hair mask once a month, and this plant is absolutely amazing, and it's of course used for different purposes, but I love it for my hair because it contains enzymes which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp and also acts as a great conditioner and also leaves your hair all smooth and shiny. It promotes hair growth and prevents itching on the scalp. I would seriously recommend using this plant if you suffer from dandruff, dry scalp and hair breakage, because it works from the root up. And I used to have dry scalp a lot, you guys, but this literally got rid of it. So all we need from the plant is the gel, and I usually use 1 full size aloe vera for my whole head. I love to carefully cut it open, making sure I don't include the green part. All you need is the gel, and then you need a blender or a smoothie machine to grind it up into a liquid form. I've tried applying the aloe vera gel straight to my hair, and that was a huge mistake, you guys, because I ended up having lumps of aloe vera all over my hair, which took days to remove. So please don't try applying the aloe vera straight to your hair, because I can't even explain to you. Like, it's better, I warn you, don't even try it, you guys, because it was a hot mess. I went on and cut the whole plant and removed the gel except the tail part, because that really don't have any gel. So now it's time to blend it all up. You want to make sure you liquefy it as much as possible so you don't end up having small lumps, because those ones are worse to take off your hair. And once I'm done, I will transfer the gel into a plate and proceed to the application. Hi! Okay, so I'm gonna just place a towel on my shoulder to prevent the gel from getting on my clothes, and then I will section off my hair into 2 equal parts. And for this exact treatment, I love concentrating it on my scalp only. I have another treatment that will go on the other parts of my hair, but for this particular one, I only use it on my scalp. Whenever I'm doing this treatment, it takes me not less than 5 minutes to blend and apply, but because I'm filming, it seems like a lot, but all you need to do here is start applying the gel all over your scalp. You can section them up bit by bit or go straight and apply it. I'm sure a lot of people use the gel all over their hair, but I love it specifically for my scalp. It's just too good, you guys. Like, please, you have to try this. Like, you won't even regret it, because the treatment is just amazing for natural hair, for permed hair. Of course, you guys know I texturize my hair. I normally texturize my hair like twice a year, so I normally texturize my hair like once in 6 months. So but for natural hair, what is it called, permed hair, this really do, like, it works amazing. Some people say aloe vera has an awful smell, but I really don't perceive it whenever I'm doing this mask, you guys. It has an earthy smell, not a bad smell at all. Okay, so once I'm done saturating the gel all over my hair, I will then spend a little time to massage it all over my scalp and then cover it with a shower cap. The next treatment is a mayonnaise and coconut milk mask, and I love using this on the upper part of my hair, and these two are amazing for restoring shine and gloss to the hair. Mayonnaise contains egg yolks, vinegar and oil, which works together to nourish and moisturize the hair. It also helps to nourish the scalp and promote healthy hair growth. Coconut milk contains essential nutrients which are beneficial for restoring dry, damaged and brittle hair as much as split ends. For this treatment, depending on the length of your hair, you can use just 1 spoon of mayonnaise and 2 spoons of the coconut milk if you have the same length of hair like me, but if you don't, you can figure out what works for you. Like I said, all I do with this mask is saturate it all over the top part of my hair and then cover it and leave it on for 3 to 5 hours. You can even leave it on overnight to get the maximum benefit, or if you have a stubborn hair, I would advise just leaving it overnight because this will help soften your hair and give you an amazing result, you guys. And now I'm just gonna cover it up and leave it for, like I said, 3 to 5 hours. So after that time expires, I will then go on and wash off the mask. I spend time rinsing the mask off because you don't need to shampoo it. If you do, you're basically destroying all you've done. Just rinse it off nicely and air dry or blow dry. And you guys, this is my hair the next day. Like, I don't need to convince you. This is all the natural shine I got from this mask. You can't even beat the results with a stick, you guys. Yeah, I hope you all enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video very, very soon. Bye.